Hi,
Let's
my name
talk
is
about
Lee
the
and welcome
probe
to
a
my
little
Prezi.
bit. It's a very
Today we're
high
looking
dollar
at
piece of
the
equipment.
Renishaw
We're probably looking in the
EQC
neighborhood of
probing
six
and
to
tool
eight
setting
thousand
system.
dollars for the unit itself. And the white tip you see here on the
Let's
end,
take a look at this
and
probe.
with the red tip, is probably in the neighborhood of around $200.
The probe is actually a mini computer
It's a very expensive
with
piece of
a
equipment,
white
but
extension
it
with
is
a red ruby
incredibly
on
versatile.
the end of it.
And
Red ruby
it
is
will
where
certainly
the
replace
machine will
your
make
edge finder as
contact
well
with
as
the
other
parts.
measuring tools.
Probes are very expensive and cost in the neighborhood of $6,000 to $8,000. Therefore, we must handle them with care. Now let's look at the other part, the tool setter. The tool setter is responsible for measuring all kinds of tools, from face mills, drills, taps, any other tool used in a CNC machine. There's also a sending unit, which looks like this. We're going to attach this Renishaw probe system to a Haas CNC machine. The Renishaw probe is very versatile and can be used on a lot of different types of machining centers. We will focus today on the Haas machining center. This is the control of a Haas machining center, and we will be focusing on the upper half of the keys in this area and the screen. The probe must be calibrated to be accurate, so therefore let's take a look at it. Our Renishaw probe is very accurate, plus or minus 0.0001. That's equivalent to a human hair split 30 times, or a piece of paper sliced 30 times. Let's calibrate the probe. We will highlight the 9996 area on this machine and press right. This will give us a different menu. We will now choose probe calibration. Highlight that and press right. We will insert this tool right here. This is a standard. We need to know the diameter and the length of the tool. When asked, we will fill in the appropriate areas up here on the right side and convert it to an MDI program, manual data input. We'll press cycle start. And let's look what it looks like. Now let's put the probe in and put it above the tool setter. You're going to hand wheel it to approximately 400 thousandths above the tool setter. And then follow the on-screen directions. Now we're going to take a standard. In this case, this one is 1.7500. We will attach that standard to a tooling plate. We'll then mount it in a vise. We'll put the probe below the top of the ring. Follow the same directions. Fill in the size of the standard, convert it to an MDI, and press cycle start. The probe will bump 4 times on each side to get the correct location. Now the probe setter has been set up properly. And now we can measure a variety of different tools. From a standard end mill to a face mill. Or we can measure very complex parts now with it. Let's find the left front edge of this part. We can also check tool diameters also and the height. This video will show us that. The chuck was spinning backwards in case anyone was wondering why the tool wasn't cut off of there. The cutter length was checked as well as the diameter. Good luck and happy probing.